Have you ever eaten a meal that felt completely fine, but a short while later your stomach felt heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable? Sometimes it's not the food itself, it's the combination. Let me share 10 food combinations that many people struggle to digest. Everyone is different, but if any of these sound familiar, your body may already be giving you signals. First, eating watermelon right after a heavy meal. Watermelon digests very fast, but heavy meals like rice or meat take much longer. When watermelon sits on top of that food, many people feel bloated or gassy within 20 to 30 minutes. This is why watermelon usually feels better eaten alone, not as a dessert. Second, having watermelon or citrus fruits right after a rice or meat meal. These fruits move quickly through digestion, while heavy foods move slowly. That difference can make your stomach feel tight, heavy, or uncomfortable for many people. Third, fried foods followed immediately by sugary desserts. Both are heavy on digestion, and together they can cause acidity, sluggishness, and extreme fullness. Fourth, drinking cold beverages with hot meals. Cold drinks can slow digestion and harden fats from food, which often leads to bloating or stomach discomfort. Fifth, eating spicy meals followed by dairy-based desserts like ice cream. Spicy food heats the body, dairy cools it, and this contrast can upset digestion for many people. Sixth, combining milk with citrus fruits like oranges or lemons. The acidity can cause milk to curdle in the stomach, leading to discomfort or gas. Seventh, banana and milk together, especially for sensitive stomachs. It's a popular combo, but for some people it feels too heavy and causes bloating or mucus. Eighth, yogurt combined with sweet fruits. Both are fermented in different ways, and together they may cause gas or digestive discomfort for some people. Ninth, drinking tea or coffee immediately after meals. This can interfere with digestion and reduce iron absorption over time. And 10th, eating too many protein sources in one meal, like meat, eggs, and cheese together. Protein takes time to digest, and too much at once can make you feel tired and heavy after eating. The goal isn't fear, it's awareness. If a food combination regularly makes you feel uncomfortable, that's your body giving feedback. Eat simple, combine smart, and always listen to your body. If this helped you, like the video, comment which combination surprised you the most and subscribe for more simple food awareness videos.